In this video, you will learn how to fix QuickShare not working on Samsung phone. QuickShare lets you easily share files with other Samsung devices nearby. However, sometimes it may stop working due to various reasons. But don't worry, I'll go through some simple steps to help you get it back up and running. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Once you're in Settings, tap on Connected Devices. Next, find and select QuickShare. Here, you'll see a section labeled Nearby Sharing. In this section, start by tapping on Who can share with you. If this setting is currently set to No One, change it to Everyone. This adjustment allows anyone nearby to send files using QuickShare. Tap Done. After adjusting Who can share with you, make sure to toggle on the switch next to show available devices on Share panel. This will ensure that other devices are visible when trying to share files. Now that these settings are configured, scroll all the way down and tap on About QuickShare. Here, you can check if there's an update available. If an update is present, simply tap Update to install it. Using the latest version of QuickShare can prevent many issues. If problems still persist after updating, let's try clearing the app cache. Go back into Settings and scroll down until you find Apps. Tap on it. In this menu, look for the search button at the top. Type in QuickShare and hit search. Select it from the results shown. Once you're in the QuickShare app info page, scroll down slightly until you see Storage. Tap on it. You'll now have an option to clear cache. Go ahead and do that. Finally, restart your device. A simple reboot can often resolve lingering issues by refreshing system processes. Once your phone powers back up, try using QuickShare again. Following these steps should fix any issues you're experiencing with QuickShare not working on your Samsung phone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.